So I'm at the, you know, the kids' playground next to the Flash Hotel, Ambassador Morgan Tavern here. And there's something you really need to be careful of in Benidorm. This has been happening lately, last few nights and a few months. This cash point here, okay? I wouldn't take any money out of them because they do charge you quite a bit of money. They don't give you a good exchange rate. But the most important thing about this particular cash point is if you get money out here, then people are watching you. They will watch you walk away and they will mug you or pickpocket you, especially this one here. But beware of any cash point. Don't go down an alley after going to a cash point and stay together. There has been a lot of muggings, a lot of pickpockets. Yesterday I walked down here and I saw 3 people, 2 women and 1 man at the end. And then straight after that, there were reports of muggings in this little strip here. There is like a policey, touristy information here, but for some reason it doesn't get picked up. As you can see, this is Muggers Alley, as we just saw, and you will see the muggers approaching, especially the drunk people, mainly guys on their own. They probably won't touch girls, but you never know. And you just watch out for these guys. They'll especially prey on you if you're acting drunk or if you are drunk. There'll be a few of them, and there'll also be a guy with them as well, just for some backup. Watch yourself, watch your pockets. They'll be trying any way to get your money. Don't go down any alleys. Once you've been to a cash point or anything, try to stay with your friends. This is a reason, do not get split up.